Welcome to DojoLab Activity 3. Parallel Circuit. Now we combine both LED and buzzer in one circuit. Both components have two legs. Longer positive, shorter negative. They will share the same battery and button, but they have separate paths. This is called a parallel circuit. Start with battery positive to the button. From the button, create two branches. Branch 1. Connect to the 220 ohm resistor. Then to the LED's longer leg. From LED shorter leg. Back to battery negative. Branch 2. Connect directly to the buzzer's longer leg. From buzzer's shorter leg. Back to battery negative. Press the button. Both light and sound work together. Important. The LED still needs its resistor. The buzzer connects directly. You've now mastered 3 fundamental circuits. Excellent work.